Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. Today I came up with one of the requirement that is nothing but using my clone without or instead of me going on camera all the time for recording the videos. So for this one, we have come up with as an AI voice and video clone of myself. So based on the script, it automatically create the video and based on my accent. In this video, we try to see these details. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. Here we are providing the step. The step number 1, HeyGen AI avatar, bring a new ease to video creation. So this one which is helping to create the AI avatar and voice effortlessly. And based on this one, we can go and create your avatar. You can see it on this screen. Once you set up your account, then come over here and create your avatar. Then that will try to take to the step number 2, where creating the avatar, which is having the 5 step: introduction, instruction, upload, verify and review. And you can go to the next step, that is called instruction. What are the footage instructions? They try to give it over here. And then you can record the video with voice a minimum of 2 minutes. And you can upload and verify and review. Then you can create your clone. And once your video and voice is ready, you can come over here, avatar, and you can see your avatar will be created, and you can click on the 3 dots and you can copy the avatar ID. Similarly, you can come over the voice and you can click on the 3 dots based on the my voices. You can see above AI voice, and you can get the get voice ID. So one is called as an voice ID, second one is called as an avatar or video ID. So these two things is mandatory. Next, we try to get the API key. For this one, you can go to your user profile and go to the settings, go to the subscription and API, and you can see HeyGen API will be there, API token will be here. You can click and generate the API token. Now it is a time to enter into the API of an HeyGen. It will try to enter here. You can see it on this screen. And you can click on the login, and whatever the information or login email you have used in the previous, the same thing you can log it here. And here you can see the developer guide and API reference and updates and discussion tools. Remaining things will be over here. Now we try to go over here and see the API reference. In this API reference, you can see the create avatar video version 2, which is nothing but the post method. You can see the create avatar video, and the curl request, it is over here, and you can read the request body, what are it is containing inside the body. And if you see the avatar settings, you can see the avatar ID, which we have copied in the previous step. We need to give it over here. And similarly, if you come over the voice setting, you can see the voice ID. And you see the input text, which is a string, and input text, that is nothing but the script. So one is the script, second one is the voice ID, third one is called as an avatar ID, which have copied from previous steps. We need to hand over to here, and you can click on the examples and you can copy these things and keep it with yourself. And for retrieving the video status or details, you can click retrieve video status or detail, and you can come over here and you can see the response, and you can click and copy the curl request for reference. Now we are going to do this one with n8n, that is a no code or a low code, a platform for automation. So these are the nodes we are using inside our workflow. This is on form submission. It will try to give the script, and this is the avatar, which is nothing but you can see the create avatar video. This is the curl we need to copy over here, and we are waiting for in 2 minutes and check the video status. If completed, then we are downloading. So all these three is nothing but the HTTP request, and we try to submit by using the curl method. How to get the curl? So here is the curl for the create video avatar, and here it is your API key, and the rest of the things is the input. Some of the things I stripped and have customized here. This is the video input. I have copied my avatar ID, and you can see the input text which I'm selecting from the on form submission, and voice ID I have created, and the speed is 1.0 and dimensions I have given. So this is the minimal customized one I have given, but you can read this one and customize as per your interest. You can see the expression, you can see the pitch, you can see the speed, you can see the emotion, you can see the language also, and the background. Rest of the features you can read and make yourself as a comfortable. And now coming back on to the how to retrieve the video status or detail, here is the curl command. So by doing all this, and if you go to an n8n and copying this one, we can execute it. So this is a high level of an overview how to do this project. Now it is the time to go a step by step, so that you can also do along with me the practice, and such a way that we can complete this project within the time. Now here is the HeyGen. You can see it over here. Now we can come over here and create your avatar.
Want to create
that it will try to take it on to here, and you can see introduction. Now click the get started, which will try to take the instruction. Now go to here and upload the footage, and minimum 2 minutes of your video and audio, and which will has to satisfy these requirements. Then you can go to the verify and review. Until unless you upload the video, it will not go, because I have already done, so I am skipping these things. Then come back over here in the avatars. You can see it over here. It's Alex is one avatar is there. You can click and you can get the copy avatar ID. Now go to the voices. You can see my voices on top of AI voices. You can see my name, and you can see get voice ID. So these two things we try to get it. Third one, go to your profile and go to your settings, and subscription and API, you can see it, and you can get the HeyGen API. Here is the thing, it is activate. You can get this API token. And after this one, we need to go over here like as a developer guide, API reference and updates and discussion. Our main interest will be the API reference. Before that, you need to log in with the same details which you provided earlier. Now come over here. By using the programming, we can get all list of all avatar and voices, but our main interest will be the video generation. create avatar video to, which is nothing but the post. You can come over here and request body, which is having these details, video inputs and avatar settings. This is avatar ID is a mandatory, and you can come down and you can see text voice setting. Here you can see the voice ID, which is voice ID we need to give it, and input text, which is nothing but the script. You can mention the emotion, pitch, local, you can see the language, and the rest of the things you can read and do the customization as per your interest. Now create avatar video. Go to here, you can see request example and you can copy and paste it. So this is the where it's required, and along with this one your API key is also required. You can copy paste your API key here, keep it with you. Second one will be the retrieve video status or details. You can go to over here, retrieve video status or detail. You can see the response. You can see the status is the most important one. Processing completed, failed, pending. Until unless it is completed, we cannot download. And the rest of the time we try to be keep on waiting or polling. So you can come over here and you can get the curl request. You can copy and paste it over. One is called as in create avatar video. Second one is called retrieve video status. These two details you need keep it with you along with your API key. Now it is the time to enter into the n8n. Your n8n can be running from locally or from the cloud. It is your choice. It doesn't make much difference. The first one is on form submission. You can see I have given the form title and form description, field name as a script, which data type is nothing but the text, and placeholder will be the script, and this is a required field. So I am taking the script from here. Second one will be the avatar. You can import the curl and where you have created with your API key and do the customization. You can create it and you can import the rest of the things it will try to fill. Now I am going over here. You can see the JSON one also it will try to fill. Along with while you are filling your curl, include your avatar ID for voice and video also. Now it is the time. In the input text I am giving the previous node the JSON script, whichever is the script, whatever is the text we have provided, I am giving the input to here. And this is simply 2 minutes of a wait, that is called 120 seconds I am waiting. And after this one I am going on to this curl and giving the video status, and which is also having the API key. You can give it, and the video ID which is taking, so previous node I am giving over here, and here I am using as if condition. If status is completed, then I am entering into the HTTP, giving as a get method, and the URL is nothing but the video status video URL I am copying over here. Once this has been ready, now it is the time to get one of the script. So in order to get the script, I am entering into the over here. You can see this one I am copying and pasting. Execute the flow. You can see the script I am copy pasting here and submit, and it will try to go to the avatar and wait for 2 minutes, and then check the video status. If completed, it will try to do the video download. Once the video download, you can see this is the message it can read. Now we can see the video download tick mark is a green. Green says that the node is completed successfully or executed successfully. Now click this one. You can see download.
Welcome to the HeyGen API Developer Hub. You'll find comprehensive guides and documentation to help you start working with HeyGen API as quickly as possible, as well as support if you get stuck. Let's jump right in.
Now we came to an end by satisfying the requirements, and following these steps we have successfully created the clone. And if you have any notes, please write in the comment sections. I will get back to you. Thank you very much, and we try to meet in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.